In this video for our Rock Like the Pros 10-day beginning practice and technique challenge, this is a game changer right here. This is probably the best warm-up exercise I've ever written because it's going to be using all 4 fingers, but also moving up and down the neck. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Great job. Great job. Great commitment to this challenge and to yourself for being here. Not everyone's here. A lot of people you started with aren't here watching this video and doing this challenge like you are. So I'm proud of you for doing that. Look at this guitar. I'll talk about this guitar in just a little bit. But anyway, for this challenge, don't forget Cordoba is given 2 guitars. One for our general challenge and one for the VIP. You can sign up for both of those. But in order to win the one for the general challenge, which is the Cordoba Protege C1, just go sign up below. Once you sign up below, you're going to get all the information you need to know how to enter and have a chance to win that guitar. And then we have a second guitar for the VIPs. That's right. 2 guitars. How cool. So thanks, Cordoba, for that. Make sure not only you subscribe right here, but also head on over to Cordoba and subscribe over there as well. Now, the VIPs, they get all the tab. They get all the backing tracks. They get the Zoom calls with me and the other VIPs. They get all lifetime access to all this material, and then they have a chance to win that Cordoba Mini 2 EBCE guitar. Super cool. Super cool. All right. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you're getting a lot of value out of this challenge, and you're liking it, and you want to continue on because this is the beginning. We're going to have a second level, intermediate level as well. And we're going to have early bird special right now. We'll put a link to that below. So if you want to take what we're doing here and just like to the moon, then make sure you sign up for the second challenge. All right. Are you ready? Let me go ahead and show you this exercise. I'll break it down for you, and then we'll do it with the backing track. All right. How cool is that? How cool is that? I remember when I first wrote that exercise, it was when I was teaching a class, and then when I showed the class, I loved it. It's a little challenging to get down the pattern, understand how we're going up or down, but I'm gonna show it to you, break it down for you, no problem. Just hang tight. All right, now I brought out really special guitar here. This is my Gibson ES335. We call it Ruby. I like to name all my guitars. My wife actually bought this guitar for me for my 30th birthday. So that might have been a long time ago, but this guitar is absolutely amazing. It just brings up so much nostalgia for me because I've done so much stuff on this particular guitar. But anyway, if you need a guitar, strings, picks, whatever you need, check out the #1 store. That's store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, you ready? Check this out. We're going to start right here on the first string, first fret. We're going to do basically what we've seen before, which is first, second, third, fourth. But then when we get here, we're actually going to slide up to the 5th fret with our pinky. Notice I'm trying to keep all these fingers down, and I'm going to peel them off. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Let me go over that again, all right? Because this is really important. You got to understand this pattern moving up and down the neck. Okay, so we're going to again start on the first string, first fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slide up to the 5th fret, and then pick that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then I'm going to slide my first finger up to the 3rd fret. Do it again. Notice I'm using each finger. Now it's on the 8th fret. Now slide the pinky up to the 7th fret. Come back down. All right, now I'm on the 4th fret. Slide up to the 5th fret. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th fret, then slide up to the 9th fret, and then come back down. Now, move the first finger up to the 7th fret, pick it again. All right, pinky is now going to slide up to the 11th fret, come back down. All right, now I'm going to slide up to the 9th fret, and then pinky hits 12 and then slides up. All right, and then once that pinky slides up to that 13th fret, that's when the pattern's gonna come back down. All right, so that's a lot. I know it is. So let's do it together because I want to really make sure you get this one down. It's really important for not only this challenge, but also or video the next one as well. Okay, so let's do it again. Here we go. From the top. 3, 4. So it's 1. And remember, when we slide up from the 12th fret to the 13th with our pinky, that's when we start the pattern down. I'm using alternate picking for this one, which is, again, a great, great challenge for it. All right, now coming back down, it's going to look like this. All right, so what am I doing? I'm starting right here on the 13th fret. I'm just peeling off 13th, 12th, 11, 10, and then my first finger is going to slide down now to 9, and then I'm going to walk up again. 10, 11, 12, then slide the whole hand down. Now your pinky is right here on the 11th fret. And now slide down. Now pinky, slide down to this 9th fret there. Pinky down, or sorry, first finger down to the 5th fret. Pinky to 7, to 3, and then slide down to 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's your last note. You're going to slide from that 2nd fret right to the 1st fret. So really, really a great, fantastic exercise. Matter of fact, why don't we just do it coming down? Because I know, again, it's a lot, but once you understand it and feel really good about it, you're going to love this exercise. All right, so we're going to start right here on the 13th fret, have all your fingers down, and we're going to come back down. 3, 4, and... I told you that one was cool, but I wanted to kind of break it down for you. So now when we add the backing track, by the way, what do you think? Pretty cool, right? Leave a comment below. Now when we add the backing track, we're going to go all the way up and all the way down without stopping. Okay, are you ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How cool is that? Come on, you got to admit, that's a really great exercise using the fingers, going up and down the neck. How did you do on that? Leave the comment below 1 to 5 on how you did. All right, that was the medium back track. If that was too fast, we have slower, we have faster backing tracks as well. So that's available to all the VIPs along with the tab. And sometimes it's really nice to have the tab you can print out and look at for these particular ones. So anyway, VIP for that. I also need you to post a video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. Don't forget about that. Engage, watch other people's videos as well. You may be thinking, okay, what about the other strings? Can I do this on the other strings? Great question. Yes, you can. And we're going to do that. We're going to do that in the next video. I want to do this one, really just teach it to you and go up and down this first string. But yes, absolutely, we can do it on all 6 of the strings. And it actually is a fantastic workout, warm-up, technique builder, all that stuff. So if you like this stuff and you even want more, like push me more, we're going to have an advanced technique workshop. We'll put a link to that below. Go sign up. We got an early bird special right now. That's going to be a fantastic workshop to even take what we're learning here and really go to the next level. All right, that's going to do it. Great job. I'm proud of you. Keep working on this one. This will be one you use over and over again, and we'll see you in the next video.